Listen to me. If you are sitting there, looking at your retirement, or you've already hung up the hat and started your own little business. Maybe you're a plumber, a landscaper, or a house cleaner. You need to wake up. You have worked too hard for your money to let it slip through your fingers because you're disorganized. Now you're asking me, Susie, does Housecall Pro do bookkeeping? And I am going to tell you exactly what you need to know. But first, I want you to understand the fear that is driving that question. The fear is that you are going to get to the end of the year, or heaven forbid, the end of your career, and you won't know where the money went. You're afraid of the IRS. You're afraid of a tax time disaster. And you're tired of spending your Saturday nights staring at a mountain of crumpled receipts on your kitchen table when you should be enjoying your family. Is that any way to live? No, it is not. So let's get real. Does Housecall Pro do bookkeeping? The answer is a resounding yes, but you have to understand how they do it so you can make a powerful choice for your future. 4 years, Housecall Pro was just the middleman. It handled your scheduling, your invoicing, and your on-my-way texts. It was great for the people part and the things part, but for the money part, it just sent that data over to QuickBooks. And if you didn't know how to use QuickBooks, or if your sync was a mess, you were still in trouble. But listen to me now, Housecall Pro has stepped up. They now have a dedicated service called Housecall Pro Accounting. This isn't just a piece of software that sits on your computer and waits for you to figure it out. This is a done-for-you bookkeeping service. They provide you with a team of real human beings, experts who understand the trades, to actually do the books for you. They reconcile your expenses. They track your transactions. They deliver a tax-ready package to you every single month. They are taking the scramble out of your life. Why is this so important for you, especially if you are near retirement? Because at this stage of your life, time is your most valuable asset. You do not have the time to be a part-time bookkeeper and a full-time business owner. You need to be the CEO of your life. When you use a service like this, you aren't just buying software. You are buying your freedom. You are buying the certainty that your profit and loss statement is accurate. You are buying the peace of mind that when you want to sell your business or transition into full retirement, your books are clean and your valuation is real. But I want you to be careful. Do not think that just because they offer it, you can just set it and forget it without understanding your own numbers. Even if Housecall Pro is doing the heavy lifting, you must still look at your dashboard. You must know your cash flow. You must know if you are actually making a profit or if you are just staying busy. If you are currently using QuickBooks and it's working for you, stay the course. Housecall Pro still has one of the best integrations out there with QuickBooks Online and desktop. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if you are someone who is drowning in paperwork, or if you've been paying a local bookkeeper who doesn't understand your industry, or worse, if you aren't doing bookkeeping at all, then this is your wake-up call. Here is your actionable takeaway, and I want you to do this today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Go into your Housecall Pro account and look at the App Store or the Accounting tab. See if you are eligible for their managed accounting service. If you are, book the demo. Talk to them. Ask them, how will you handle my historical data? Because if your books have been a mess for the last 3 years, you need catch-up bookkeeping before you can move forward. And if you decide to go with them, I want you to commit to a monthly money date with yourself. When they send you that monthly report, you sit down with a cup of coffee and you look at it. You see where the money is coming from and exactly where it is going. You have the power to control your destiny, but you cannot do it if you are flying blind. Use the tools that are right in front of you. Get your books in order, get your head out of the sand, and start treating your business and your retirement with the respect they deserve. Because you've earned it, and I don't want you to lose it.